Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin rights and a concise device list. This ensures you can push changes. Next, check the VPN server address and certificate so authentication succeeds. Once done, test basic network reachability, ping the gateway and resolve the DNS name because many failures are connectivity, not config. Also make sure devices have recent OS patches. Outdated builds often block device management agents. Take these steps now to avoid backtracking later. You should open the client and management agent logs and read the error lines because timestamps reveal sequence. Then validate firewall and NAT. Ensure required ports, like 1194 or 443 depending on protocol, are allowed and split tunnel rules aren't blocking management traffic. Once the path is clear, reprovision the device profile or renew certificates to reset trust. Make sure to push one small policy change to confirm remote management works before broad rollout. You complete the process by verifying connectivity and policy compliance. Run a remote diagnostic or a single command to confirm. Then document every change, schedule staged rollouts, and enable monitoring so you see regressions early. If problems persist, have a clear failover. Switch to a backup VPN server, clear local agent caches, and re-enroll the device to rebuild trust. One key troubleshooting tip: if enrollment repeatedly fails, check time sync and certificate authorities, because clock drift commonly breaks TLS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.